Welcome to my kitchen, small kitchen. Okay, so it's been a while that I did not upload video that I am cooking, right? Um, hindi ko, minsan kasi parang ano, na hindi naman kasi ako magaling magluto, but I just want to share with you how I make my chicken steak. Something like that, 'di ba? Something like that, 'di ba? So, today, since yesterday I did not eat the whole day because of my toothache, so I feel like very hungry today. So I decided to cook something that is heavy, okay? And something that I like. 'Di ba? 'Yun ang importante talaga when we are cooking, 'di ba? So, kailangan merong satisfaction. 'Di ba kaya nga ako tumaba during the lockdown because I always eat something that satisfies me. Okay, so today I'm going to cook chicken, chicken steak, 'di ba? Ito yung breast ng chicken. Ito. So, hinugasan ko na siya. I already washed it. And ready na para ilagay ko yung mga ingredients. So, ito yung chicken breast. Okay? So, I'm going to use olive oil. Olive oil. Okay? Kita nyo? Okay, so, imamarinate ko muna siya bago ko siya i-fry. So, lalagyan ko siya ng olive oil. Olive oil. Yan. May olive oil na siya. A little amount of olive oil. A little ba? Okay. And then, after the olive oil, gagamitan ko siya ng soy sauce. Ito, Thai brand ito ng soy sauce. Okay. Ito yung soy sauce. Okay. So, gagamitan natin siya. La 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 la. Okay, so a lot of soy sauce. Palutangin natin siya sa soy sauce so that it absorb the chicken, 'di ba? This is my own version. Okay, so maybe meron makakita sa inyo, bakit niya ginagawa yung ganyan? This is my own version. You can copy it anyway because it's really delicious. Oishi. Okay, so, and we're going to use the Himalayan black salt. Ito yung ginagamit ko, Himalayan black salt. Okay, ito yung ginagamit ko, Himalayan black salt. So, anuhin natin siya. Ganyan-ganyanin. Okay. With Himalayan black salt. Okay. So, medyo maalat na siya. Kasi may soy sauce na meron pang Himalayan black salt. Ayan. Diba? Kita nyo? Sa Antipolo. Okay. So, takot na akong kumanta kasi na si CPR ako. Okay. So, and then, of course, we're going to put pepper. Pero, yung aking ginagamit, yung powdered pepper. Okay? Powdered pepper sa pag-marinate ito. Okay, a lot of powdered pepper. And then, I forgot something. Wait a minute. So, kailangan, nilalagyan ko yan, yung pag-marinate ko, nilalagyan ko siya ng bay leaf. Okay? Or, sa Waray, ginatawag namin ito, Ricardo. Okay, so pinapatong ko yan dyan. I'm gonna show you later, ha? Nalagyan ko, tapon! Nalagyan ko ng bay leaf. Okay, so ang daming ingredients. Now, meron akong red onions na ilalagay ko rin. Okay, balatan ng sibuyas at umiyak. Babalatan ng sibuyas at iiyak. Alam nyo ba, pag gusto ko naman talagang kumain ng masarap, if I want to eat something delicious, no need to go to the restaurant because it's really dangerous at this time. Even we are zero case na dito, it's still hard, to go to restaurant and remove your mask in public and eat, right? So it's like very dangerous. So I don't want to do it. So if I want to eat something that I like, that is delicious for me, and then I'm gonna cook. Okay, so itong small red onion, ating hihiwain. Hiwa-hiwa, aray. Wag lang ang kamay. Oh! Yay. Okay. So, hiwa-hiwa. Hiwa-hiwa. Hiwa-hiwa is real. And then spread it all over here. Diba? Ganyan. Okay, here you go. Ito yung bay leaf, diba? Pinatong ko yan dyan with everything na ingredients na sinabi ko. Tapos, yan, iiwan ko yan ng mga 20 minutes, to turn upside down, and then saka ko na ipa-fry. Samahan niyo ako, antayin niyo ang pagkatapos ng video at ang outcome. Okay? So, let's marinate na this. Prito na tayo. We're ready to prito-prito na. Diba? Piprituhin na natin para makakain na tayo. Yummy. I'm happy today because I'm going to eat the food that I want. Diba? Ay, hindi kasi tayo pwedeng kumain sa restaurant dahil we will going to take off the mask and then it's open and then it's, the possibility of getting the virus is 90% according to the expert. Kaya mas mainam na yung nag-iingat. I'm so fat na, right? Maraming nagko-complain na I'm so fat. But marami din namang happy that I am fat. Because they said, okay naman. It's good for me. Siguro kung buhay pa yung parents ko, they will be the happiest. Dahil matagal na nila akong gustong tumaba. That's one thing that I dislike cooking. Yung talsik-talsik ba? It's so painful. Diba? Maan siya, masakit. Masakit pa kesa sa broken heart. So, ayan, nagluluto natin siya, diba?